Canon EOS R6 Mark II is coming. Rumors suggest it's coming with a brand new BSI stack sensor which, if it's true, will make it a completely different camera. But will it be enough to compete against high-end cameras on the market such as the Sony A9? Let's see. Canon rumors have shared some specs about the Canon EOS Mark II. The specs seem relatively boring as they don't tell you what the real upgrades are, but one thing is really interesting, and that is the sensor. The Canon R6 Mark I has the same sensor as its flagship 1DX Mark III. For this, it's logical to assume that the R6 Mark II will have top-of-the-line 24MP BSI stack sensor from R3. Canon R6 was introduced to the market in July 2020 and Sony A9 II was launched in October 2019. There was only a 9 months difference between R6 and A9 Mark II, so we were expecting this to be a fair comparison regarding age and technology level. Now the EOS Mark II and A9 III are both upcoming, and in order to compete, the R6 Mark II has to be fast, very fast, which is possible with the BSI stack sensor. The 24.1MP BSI sensor already exists. It's the best sensor that Canon has ever made by many metrics, and it's cheaper to use something that you're already producing instead of retooling for something new or continuing to produce something old in the case of the 20.2MP sensor. We kept thinking that the R6 II makes sense, although we had expected the specs improvement to be somewhat more substantial than a better sensor with a small gain MPX. However, it might actually be quite attractive if it has the R3 sensor, notably one of the best around. And that this small improvement means that it will likely be priced similarly to the R6 launch price of $23.99. So that was all about the upcoming Canon EOS Mark II. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below.